Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. If this is your first time here, welcome. I appreciate you watching. And this is a reseller's channel. So today we are going to go over what I found at Goodwill. And I'm going to throw some comps up on the screen so you guys will see what I listed the items for that I did find. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I found. Alright guys, so it is a beautiful day here in Florida and we are actually going to go down the dirt road and maybe do some fishing. My mother-in-law, sister-in-law, and nieces are here. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I did get at Goodwill so you can see. I did get this Tech Gear XXL jacket. I'm hoping maybe I'll have some comps up for you guys, but I'm not sure. And then I got this Ogio laptop bag. I did pay $6, but I saw some comps up to like 100, and this one's really nice. So hopefully it's one of the ones that's worth a little more. I've got to figure out how to see which model number it is, but it's in great shape. And then I'm not going to go through this new auction stuff just yet. I just want to show you guys Goodwill. So I did get this pair of boots, and these are Durango boots, size 6 medium, and women's. Hopefully I can get like 50 bucks or so for those, and those were on sale for $10 from $20. You can see their prices are normally kind of high. And then I picked up some plush. I did pick up this Dandy Gorilla. I picked up this Melissa and Doug pirate puppet. And I need to figure out what these claws are from. They are Disney. I'm going to assume Monsters. These are a Disney Park exclusive. So hopefully those will be good. And then I did get the vintage Tyco Elmo. He does have yellowing on his eyes, but he's pretty cool. And then the last of the plush I got was this vintage Grimace, which he is dated 1983, and I only paid $1. I did see some comps on him for about 30. And then I picked up this Spanish immersion. I want to say that's going to be 15 or 20. This Gone with the Wind, which I couldn't find any comps. And let's see. There's one more. There is this Rigoletto. And this looks like about 15 bucks. I did pay $3. Still not too bad. And I haven't looked up comps yet on this Bible on cassette. And then that's all that's in my car from Goodwill. And let's take a look at what's in the trunk. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and stay till the end of the video and I'll tell you about my new beard. Just a few minutes. Alright, so there is some auction stuff in here, but I'm gonna save that for another video. I just wanted to go through the Goodwill stuff with you guys. So I think I showed you guys these. Get the two coffee mugs. They were 50 cents each. There's that one, and then the Yellowstone one, which I think will do pretty good. It's really cool. Here is the Yellowstone mug. It's a really cool kind of drip pattern. It doesn't have a name. This was 50 cents as well. And I'm going to try, hopefully I'll have some comps up for you guys on the screen. And then I did get these shoes. They're called Ortho Heel. They are in excellent condition. Size 9, which is a great size. So hopefully those will work. The cat's down there meowing at me. And then I did get these booty shorts, thanks to Troy. I think I probably paid too much, but hopefully I can at least double my money. So there's Hollister there. These are American Eagle with like the little embellishment. This brand I had not heard of. They are Mother. And then the last is Kittenish. So hopefully those will do okay. And then I picked up the plate I showed you guys in the video yesterday that has like the Louisville, Kentucky stuff along the edge. And then the big canister, I don't really want to unwrap. I picked up these. I was thinking they would do good, but they actually don't look like they're doing too great. They are Pottery Barn alphabet blocks. And I was thinking I could get like 20 bucks, but looks like they're only selling for 10 to 15 and the sell-through rate isn't great. I did pay 10, so I'll probably just keep these for the baby. And then I got the two 4XL blue scrub pants. I got the Halloween, and I'll price these about $15, maybe $17. So I got those. This is a great find, and I did not get this on camera, unfortunately, when I got it. But this is a round towel, and I paid, I think, $5 for this. And when you guys see stuff that's unusual, like this is a big circle, and it says, I'm trying to find here. There it is. It says Beach People. I think this is like a division of Free People, and these look like they're comping at about $50, which is great. And then this stuff, I don't know if I should have got. This was that bag of like the dental stuff. There's the Oral-B. So we will look at that. And then I got a ton of t-shirts. I'll show you guys here. So these are almost all, I think, 2XL, a lot of them. There's this Mustang one. I might have hubby keep that. This one, I thought, this one is a medium, but it's a really cute Mickey. I forget the style these are called with the arms a different color. And then there is, this one's a medium. It is Southern Palms. And it's got SEC football. It says football in the South. So with football season coming up, I thought that might be good. This is a pretty cool Nike New York Yankees. It is a Leffler shirt, and it's actually reversible, which is pretty cool. And then these, if my daughter doesn't want, I'm sure they will sell good. This Simply Southern, and I think these are small or medium, which my daughter can wear both. And then there is this one, which is pretty cool. It's Duck Commander. I think my hubby might want that one. I got lucky. There were a lot of Simply Southern shirts, and I think these will sell really well. Simply Southern Volleyball. Here's another Simply Southern Elephant. I got a lot of t-shirts. And then this one I feel like will sell well if my hubby doesn't want it. Kind of a big deal. That one is cute. And then there is this Under Armour shirt. Same thing. Might give it to my hubby. And then those were some 2XL pants. So that is all my shirts. And then I did get this bin. It looks like a lot of these are from cars, so I'm going to have to take those out and look them up. They were $5. And then I got those shoes for me. I picked up this Chevrolet truck hat. I also got, these are the cutest ever, little Converses for a little girl. The See Y'all Salt Life hat, which I actually like that. And then I got this Diesel Power Trucker hat. Those are my shoes. Let's see. trying to show you guys everything from Goodwill. I think that's actually it. So yeah, hopefully I'll have some comps up on there for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. So I got this really cool mask and my own beard here, so I can be one of the bearded resellers. And I got this from Rip Jacks. He does have a channel. There aren't many videos. Hopefully he'll start doing some soon. And his store is awesome. So he does have a video of his store. I'm totally jealous. So this is a little too big to wear. I want to go ahead and read some of his letter to me. He did send me this cool card in the mail with it. And I'll tell you guys what he says. So he says, Kat, I am sending this face mask made by my daughter-in-law as a token of appreciation for all the time, energy, and effort you put into YouTube while sharing your eBay journey. Thought the mask would make you fit in with the bearded guys. Definitely makes me fit in with the bearded guys. I own a small retail store in my small hometown of Ripley, Mississippi, and have struggled to stay afloat, but not there yet. After watching you guys on YouTube, I thought I would give it a try. I started and stopped for a while, but I'm back at it. Joey Bada Bing, 22, Josh Harry Tornado, and Troy Mountain Man Treasures all got purchases from me and mask in return as a thank you for sharing. Your video about an online estate sale hit home as I had gotten an email 20 minutes before. I racked up many items for $1. A huge microwave for $11 and a 1904 sewing machine for $67, which I will be keeping for myself to display in the store. Even got some hobnail tumblers, because I think you mentioned Nana Tink Treasures talking about them. I've attempted several times to do a YouTube video and thanking you and Nana Tink, but I haven't had time. It's coming though. Thanks a million times over for sharing and keeping me entertained. Sincerely, Stone Rip Jacks. So Stone, thank you so much. I love my beard. If my hubby can't wear it since it is too big for me, I'll probably put it out in the shed with my other stuff, and I'll definitely put your card up on my door out in the shed. So I greatly appreciate it. And now you guys know the whole story. I hope you have an amazing day today. Happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers. I am working, but I did spend the day yesterday with my baby. I did not see my two bigger kids. And then my mom and my husband's mom, we all hung out. So yeah, I will throw a clip up after this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Go so fast, go so fast. Nope, distraction. Detour.